Put on my wig cap. This is what the back looks like. I used 2 bundles to achieve this fullness. This is the back shot. Welcome to another episode on how I get my long hair, my very long natural hair, to fit under wigs that are way smaller than my natural hair. Now this is a series that I started on my channel, and I do this whenever I am about to go out. So we are going to first start by putting our long and thick natural hair into a hairstyle that is closely braided or styled to the scalp, so that when you put your wig cap on, then finally your wig, it is able to lay flat and seamless. Now as you can see, I have single braids in, but I braided them into 2 cornrows. Sometimes I do pigtails if I'm tired, you understand, or lazy. So on top of that, I am going to put on my wig cap just like this. I'm not putting too much effort into ensuring that it lays flat, because the wig I'm going to be putting on is a curly unit, so any hump you see might, give the wig some volume. This is what the back looks like. Now for the wig. Specifications of this wig while I figure out how to put it on. It is again customized. The bundles we are gotten from India, and this is 100% human hair, and I gave it to a hairstylist that is here in Anambra to help me customize it to fit my hair, my preferences. This color, I think, is color 33, but this is not the color I wanted. I wanted a 27, but after some back and forth with the person that sold me the bundle, I was able to get this color and these bundles at a cheaper rate. I used 2 bundles to achieve this fullness and this hairstyle, and I do believe 2 bundles is enough. 2 bundles plus the closure is definitely enough to create this curly unit. This is one of those units that is one of those curly units that gets defined when you add water to it. So I'm just going to spray water all over this. I had already treated it prior with some serum, just to give it some shine. So I'm just going to go in with some water to improve its definition and reduce frizz. Just defining it, making sure my fringes are also defined. And if you have noticed from my past videos, I like to get wigs customized so that I'll be able to rock my signature look, which I have grown into, and that is short hair, or at least shorter hair than my natural hair with fringes. I feel like it gives me, makes me look younger. This is what it looks like all styled, very shiny, very defined, and I did this all with water. And the fringes, one thing I love about getting wigs with fringes is you can style it in different ways and make the wig to look different every single time you rock it. So let me show you what it looks like from the back. This is the back shot, and even if there is any hump, hopefully the hump is this is just the back shot. I'm on my way to the hospital to get my yellow fever vaccination. The last time I got vaccinated was like 10 years ago when I was going to London with my mom. the vaccination has expired, elapsed, what have you. So I need to go and get a new one. So see you then.